Gentlemen, for the last few days we have had a lot of issues with animals, rodents climbing into our recycling bin or trash can, and so I've actually found a solution online. These are called lid locks. So what they do is this is like a bungee cord that locks the bin from being opened unless you open it yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install that. It's about $9 to get one of these two. So luckily this one already has a hole made, which almost like intentionally looks like it was made for this. But if you don't, you just have to drill a quarter-size hole, and then like so, run the bungee. Let's see if I can get it my fingers first. Okay, you see how that grabs onto that, and then you want to drill a hole somewhere where it's going to get some tension. So let's go ahead and drill right about this area. So I'm actually not even going to drill because I don't have a drill. I'm just going to use a screwdriver. And then for this part, you really don't have to even drill, because what I have to do is make a hole for this piece to go onto, and see, you can start it there. And then finally, inside the trash can, you take this small black piece and you that's where the back of the screw goes into. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Inside the hole, the black piece, I actually went ahead and just kind of left it in there, put a little pressure on it, just started drilling. Now you want to open up the back, or you want to open up the whole trash can. You just see where it's breaching. And where that's breaching, then you want to go ahead and get your end piece. Sorry, I was kind of hard doing this stuff with one hand. I need to get a GoPro with a helmet or something, but nevertheless, we're gonna get done. So then you need to make it breach a little more, and then once it's kind of breaching out, you're going to stick the back piece. Yeah, it doesn't help that my bin is full, but so generally I just want to go like that, and you want to hold it. So that's what I'm going to do really quick, gentlemen. So now that piece is hooked up sideways, the back piece is attached. I'm going to close your lid. I'm going to angle it down. Boom, boom. And there you go. Unless you have a genius rodent, he ain't getting in there anymore. All right. Please like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching.